Breaking news. You will not only be shocked, you'll be surprised. God help Nigeria. This country is not finished. I don't want to use my mouth to say that Nigeria is finished. The country is only starting. It's only starting, I can assure you. It's only starting. 20 million PVCs has been unclaimed. And if you look at the pictures very well, you will see children. That's in Kano, in Kaduna, has been given PVCs. And you can see one's birth certificate has been moved back to the 80s. These are children less than 10 years old, at most 11, 12 years old. This is how, since man has decided to shoot without missing, birds have decided to fly without, stopping or perching, as the case may be. Since the new electoral law and act has been put in place, this is what the North will tell you, that they have a voting strength. This is what they tell you, that they have a voting strength. This is what they do, that they have a voting strength. This is what they do. So, reps are saying extended by 60 days. Extended by 60 days. Okay, so people can collect their PVCs. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details. 20 million unclaimed PVCs. Reps ask Inec to extend registration by 60 days. The House of Representatives on Wednesday tasked Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) with the need to extend the continuous voters registration by 60 days with a view to addressing the high rate of voters ahead of the 2023 general election. The lawmakers who spoke during the debate on a motion sponsored by Chairman House of Committee on Media and Publicity Affairs, Honorable Benjamin Kalu, also tasked the commission with the need to deploy additional staff and voters registration machine across the country. He observed that the ongoing continuous voters registration CVR by the commission is scheduled to end on 30th June 2022, ahead of the 2023 general election. The House also noted that the decision to suspend the voters registration is in line with the provision of the Electoral Act 2022 required by INEC to suspend voters registration at least 60 days before election. The House is aware that in April 2022, INEC declared that 42% of the voters registration records since the Commission of Continuous Voters Registration commencement since 28 June 2022 were invalid, with 20 million unclaimed PVCs, that's permanent voters cards, still awaiting in their places. The House recognized the large number of the unregistered eligible voters willing to be registered as evidence of crowd seen at various registration centers, resulting in congestion. The House is concerned about reports of shortage of voters registration machine, inadequate manpower and personnel at registration center, which may lead to frustration among those who are registered, in some cases unrest in some registration centers. So this is what is happening, my wonderful people, and we all must continue to look at it. You can see the pictures of children who have PVCs. You see them lining up. Anyway, this call that the registration should continue. The government should allow, for the registration to continue. Can you see children registering? Yes, that's it. You can see that one. That's how it is in Nigeria. That's how it is in Nigeria. If you're unaware of some things going on, you'll be shocked how things turn out. You'll be very shocked. These people know very well that they are supposed to be doing the right thing. But guess what? Manipulation, sadly, is part of the things that have made Nigeria what it is today. It's terrible. You can see children voting Why those who sincerely want to vote in some parts of the country has not been given the opportunity to vote. Those who are eligible to vote, register, I beg your pardon, that needs to go register so that they can have their PVC and make a choice. These are children who do not even have a choice. That an adult will come and say, vote for this person, and they'll give them maybe 100 naira or 500. These are the people who, who will come and give them maybe 1,000 naira notes. And so, yeah, vote for this person. Tom print. Oh, yeah, your name is there. The face will show and it will be accredited. So these are the people. These are the things happening. These are the things going on. Nigeria, we need to come off this whole thing we're doing. We need to come off all these things we're doing so that we can move forward. As a nation, as a people, if truth is out of the window, my dear, we have nothing. We have nothing. A nation where some people, decide and take advantage of the system. Look at it. Who registered these children? Who registered these children? Who registered these children? Yet they are duly registered, ready to vote. These children are going to vote, whether you like it or not. They are going to vote. They are going to vote. They are going to vote. So this is what is happening in Nigeria. Welcome to Nigeria as a country. Welcome. These are the things that go on. Inec will tell you that they have officials. Which official voted this, registered these children? Which official? Which officials went ahead and voted? So, so the House of Assembly is saying that, they should extend it so that those who want to vote can vote. Those who intend to, vote can, go ahead and, participate. So these are some of the things that are going on. And we thought to bring you up to speed. See how people are ready. So if you hear that the North has one number of votes, even with the new elected, don't be shocked or be surprised. Don't be shocked. Children have been registered. Or should I call them childrens? Childrens have been registered to vote. And they will vote. When the time comes, they will bring, somebody has collected their PVC, now the person is holding it. On the day of accreditation, these children will come out and somebody will speak and they will vote. Welcome to Nigeria. Leave us a comment. Remember that every one of us must continue to speak about the oppressiveness, the level of oppressions going on in the country. If we must truly be free, every one of us must begin to identify with all the truth and everything and anything that could possibly bring us, the real deal. Okay, that could possibly bring us the real deal and make this nation a better place for every one of us. Okay, so that we can truly be transformed. Well, it is what it is. You can see children already preparing to get their, their thing. What about you, an adult? What about you? This is the North. You can see them all. They are ready to vote. Their number is increasing with these children. Bye for now.